Hello everybody, I am Jainilya Patel and today I'll be explaining the differences between diffusion and osmosis. Let's first define both the terms. Diffusion is the spontaneous movement of a substance from a region of high concentration to a region where its concentration is low. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration through a selectively permeable or semi-permeable membrane to a region of lower concentration. The primary difference between the two is that diffusion involves the movement of gases and osmosis the movement of water. Both play an important role in gaseous and hydro exchange between the cells and the cell and its environment. Let us graphically represent diffusion and osmosis by taking the example of a cell. First, diffusion. The blue balls are nitrogen, specifically N2. The red ones are oxygen, that is O2. The combination of red and black balls is carbon dioxide, CO2. The red being oxygen as said before and black carbon. On the left, the yellow part is the cell's interior, and on the right, the blue part is the water in the container in which the cell, let's say, has been dropped. The middle white portion is the cell membrane of the cell, which provides the semi-permeable membrane for diffusion and osmosis to take place. We'll see nitrogen first. Inside the cell, as can be seen, there are 10 nitrogen molecules, and outside it there are 16. The molecules from the more numbered side will move to the less numbered side. So, we see both sides now have 13 N2 molecules as the 3 extra ones move from outside the cell to the inside. Next up is pure O2. There are 5 inside and 9 outside the cell. When diffusion takes place, 2 oxygen molecules from outside come inside the cell to make 7 molecules aside. Last is carbon dioxide. When a higher amount than outside of CO2 accumulates inside the cellular body, here 6, one moves outside where there are 4 and balances both sides at 5 carbon dioxide molecules. To observe osmosis, let's first bring everything back at their original places. On totaling all the molecules, there are 21 inside the cell and 29 outside the cell. Since the number of impurities, though not all of them make the substance impure, is higher, the concentration of water is less outside the cell. However, inside the cell, the water concentration is more, given the less number of impurities. Thus, water moves out of the cell and its quantity decreases inside and increases outside, as can be seen. So, we've seen this graphically. Now, we will see osmosis with an experiment on resins in the second part of the video.